The first question. What is the answer of the first question? Anyone? The correct answer is option number D, that says Karan beats Arjun by 1 meter. Now it says Karan and Arjun run a 1100 meter race where Karan beats Arjun by 10 meters. Okay. So in the first case, Karan and Arjun, when Karan beats Arjun by 10 meter. So can we say when Karan runs 100 meter, in the same time the Arjun is running how much? In the same time Arjun runs how much? That is 100 minus 10, which is equal to 90. Same time. So this implies that the ratio of speed of Karan to the speed of Arjun, that is equal to distance travelled by the Karan, 100 upon distance travelled by the Arjun, that is equal to 10 by 9. So the ratio of speed of Karan and Arjun is 10:9. To do a favor to Arjun, Karan starts 10 meters behind the racing line. So in a second case, Karan needs to travel how much? He is starting 10 meters behind. So Karan needs to travel 110, whereas Arjun, he needs to travel nothing but that is only 100 meters. Okay? To complete the race. Yes or no? In the second case, they both run at their earlier speed. Which of the following is true? So Karan needs to travel 110, Arjun needs to travel 100. So can we say on the basis of this one, I can say speed of Karan to the speed of Arjun, that is also equal to distance travelled by the Karan and Arjun. So I can say 10 into 11 upon 9 into 11, multiply both the ratios by 11, so that is 110 upon 99. So what does this imply? This implies that when Karan travels 110, the Arjun will travel 99. But to complete the race, Arjun needs to travel 100. So still Arjun is 1 meter behind. Whereas Karan has completed the race by traveling 110. Arjun has traveled only 99. So still 1 meter behind. So that's why the correct answer is Karan beats Arjun by 1 meter. Any doubts to anyone? Can I move to the next question? Please tell me. Gagan, Tushar, Sandeep, Priya.